Hi, do you know the story of the wedding at Cana? It's when it was Jesus' first miracle, and he changed water into wine. And that was the start of his ministry in the Gospel of John. Well, that story I find totally inspirational. It's absolutely full of deep symbolism. And I would love to go through that story with you as a Christian writer or an aspirational Christian writer. And I hope that it will inspire you to write. And that's what I want to do at a workshop next week that I'm running called Flesh on Bare Bones. We're going to take the Bible's bare bones and put flesh on it. And so I will tell you everything that I found out about that story. And I will then encourage you to write it. And you don't have to write it as a biblical story. You can if you wish. I mean, I am in the book of about Mary that I'm writing, Jesus' mother. But you can also write it in the time and place that you would like to set it. And I have also done that in the past with my novel Being Lena Levy. I took the story of Solomon and the two women claiming one baby and wrote a whole story set in 1950 about a teenage girl whose unexpected mother showed up. So I would love you to come and write away and enjoy yourself and learn a lot and look at some of the dynamics of that story, the story of Cana. It's where Jesus calls his mother woman. And in fact, in the Bible, he never does call her mum. And so what effect did that have on Mary? And there are so many questions that are raised by all kinds of aspects of that story. She took no notice of what he said. He was reluctant to get involved when they ran out of wine, but off she went straight away and told the servants to listen to what he said and do as he said. So the story is absolutely rich, and I hope you will come. It's a free workshop, and it's called Flesh on Bare Bones, and it's Tuesday, the 22nd of November. I would love to see you there. Bye.